Hello kids, welcome back to Maths class. Today we shall learn about the subtraction facts. Okay, let's start the class. Let's count the dots that are not crossed and fill in the boxes. Okay, let's see the first question. 1 minus 0. We need number of not crossed dots. How many not crossed dots here? 1. So, the answer is 1. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Then, let's see the next question. 1 minus 1. Let's count the dots that are not crossed. Here, no more not crossed dots. We know that no more means 0. Therefore, the answer is 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Then, to find the question 2 minus 0. Let's count not crossed dots. 1, 2. We have 2 dots. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Then, to find the sum 2 minus 1. Again, we count the dots that are not crossed. 1. So, the answer is 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Let's see the next example. 2 minus 2. Let's count the dots that are not crossed. Here, no more dots. So, let's write the 0. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then, to find the sum 3 minus 0. Let's count the dots that are not crossed. 1, 2, 3. Here 3 dots. So, the answer is 3. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. Then 3 minus 1. Count the dots that are not crossed. 1, 2. Here 2 dots only. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Then 3 minus 2. Okay kids, how many dots are not crossed out? 1. Very good. Therefore, the answer is 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Then, to find the sum 3 minus 3, let's count the dots that are not crossed. Here, no more not crossed dots. No more means 0. So, the answer is 0. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay kids, thank you.